Morning, fellow surf travelers. Shredder here at one of my favorite breaks in Southern California. Don't get to surf it that often, but when I do, I'm always really stoked. Perfect out there today for the groveler. Lost short round, 5, 6, 19 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter. Perfect little small wave board. Performance surfing. Yeah, pay attention, we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Out here today. Tide's starting to get lower now. The current's just ridiculous. And I'm beat. Snack time.